To resolve the error of oops, something went wrong, try again later on your Twitter or X application, follow the steps. First of all, you need to check the Twitter server status. Go to the Twitter status page, that is status.twitter.com, or you can use various websites like Down Detector, Site24/7 to see if there are any current server issues. Also try clearing the cache and cookies. For a browser, you can clear your browser cache and cookies through the settings, and for the app, tap and hold the application and tap on the eye icon in the top right. Scroll down and go to storage and then click on clear cache. And for iOS, consider reinstalling the app. Uninstall the application completely from your device and reinstall it using the App Store. You can also attempt to log in using another device or the web browser to see if the problem continues. And if you're using VPN or proxy, disable it as it may cause login issues. And ensure that you also have the latest version of Twitter application from the App Store or Google Play Store. Go ahead and open it. Tap on the search bar and type in Twitter. Once you find it, if you see an update button, tap on it to update it to its latest version. And also verify that your internet connection, that is Wi-Fi or mobile data, is stable. And if the error continues, reset your password by opening the Twitter application. Tap on the profile picture and then go to Settings and Privacy. And once you're in the settings, tap on your account and then go ahead and tap on Change Your Password. Enter your current password and then enter your new password and confirm it, and then click on Update Password. And if none of the solutions work, you can contact the Twitter support team for help. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.